Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Atlantic Pacific, thank y'all so much.
Thank you. 4 years ago, we could never have imagined how Atlantic Pacific would change our lives and become our family. Atlantic Pacific is very community-centric, and Principal Renovations is so thankful for every opportunity to be a part of that. Our partnership with Atlantic Pacific allows us to make a difference in the lives of the communities, the tenants, and the staff that we genuinely care about. Whether we're restoring water to an entire property at midnight on Christmas Eve, or doing make-ready on units during turn season, we work to uphold the values of Atlantic Pacific at each property that we serve. We're so grateful for the trustworthy relationship we forged with AP in Texas. The entire Principal team is proud to serve you, and we're excited for what the future holds. AP is our family, and family comes first.